Hello, it's Monday. It's 8:15 p.m. I made the mistake of thinking it would be easy to do my workout tonight. It's never easy at night after work. I picked a 30-minute back and arms workout on YouTube because my legs are still sore and stiff. And tomorrow I run 4 kilometers for the first time. So let's work on the upper body tonight and get back to running tomorrow morning. Good morning. It's 5 a.m. My alarm rang. I got out of bed immediately. And now I have to go run. And now this morning I'm running 4 kilometers to start this week. I know it's going to be a bit of walking, a bit of running, but I'm going to give it my all. And we'll be done. So, let's go run. All right, I ran 1.4 in a row at a good pace, walking a little. Gonna run one, take a pause, run one, and be done. All done. There was a lot of walking, but a lot of effort as well. I didn't wake up. I stayed in bed, which means I have to go running in daylight in front of people. Hello, it's 4:30. I'm about to go for a run. I wanted to wait till it was dark outside, but I shouldn't let my insecurities keep me from running. Worse of worse, people I'll never see again will see me huffing and puffing and jiggling, and they'll forget about me 5 minutes later, 5 seconds later, 5 milliseconds later. So I'm gonna go run in daylight with the sun going down. Vámonos. You guys, I can't believe it. I ran my 4 kilometers in a row. I didn't walk once. I just kept going. And every time I was gonna give up, I was like, just push a little more, push a little more. And there was people outside and I got in a zone. And at 3 kilometers, I was gonna stop. And then I just kept pushing. I'm really proud of myself right now. Hello, we're Thursday night. Today is a strength training day, so it's a rest from running. But I'm going to a dinner tonight. That's about 30 minutes walk away, and I want to do the hour walk. I feel like walking and moving. So I thought I could do a 20-minute Pilates full body session. Then I'll have the walking to supplement. So that will be the strength training today. Just saw myself on video and it kind of paralyzes me. You know, I think self-love, it's a journey. There's relapses, and there's days where it's harder, and there's some facts that are harder to accept. When I see my body on video, sometimes I'm like, it paralyzes me. It makes me want to stay in my apartment and not move until it changes. But self-love is being able to breathe through that fear or that moment and to say, this is your body. Your body's amazing. Your body's taking you places, and you can work on it and be able to get unparalyzed and go to my dinner tonight. Because there's moments where I'm so uncomfortable in my body that I cancel plans. I don't want to see old friends because I'm scared the first thing they're going to say when they see me or think is, my God, she's gained so much weight. It really can halt my life, my weight. So self-love is being able to move through that or move past that and still do the things I want to do, even though it's hard. So I'll move through it. I'll get unparalyzed and I'll get rid of that extra weight. It's Friday and I didn't have the courage to stay in Montreal. I needed to get out of the city, so I'm headed to Maine. I did not run this morning. I did not run at lunch, so I will have to run tonight. I will be arriving at around 7 p.m. So hopefully before 9 p.m. my run is done and I can watch a movie, have a relaxing night, and not have my first fail of this challenge, because so far I've been doing good. It's so dark outside. I'm actually kind of scared. I know there's nothing to be worried about. The most dangerous thing here is drunk drivers, and I'm not going on the main road for that reason, because I'm wearing all black and it just wouldn't be safe even with reflective lights. So okay, let's do this. Let's go run in the dark. This is officially too scary, even for me. I just came from that darkness. Oh my God. I don't often get scared. There's something about black woods that is just a little eerie. Let's go back. Oh my God. Okay. I'm not running with music because I'm too scared. I feel like a deer or a moose is gonna ram me. Oh my God. I'm almost at 3 kilometers. I'm still scared. So I made the executive decision that this was going to be a 3-kilometer run because I don't see where I'm stepping, and I keep stepping in little holes, and then my ankle goes like, ooh, and I'm just scared. I listened to an audiobook about skinwalkers on my way here. That was a big mistake. Huge. I'm gonna be scared all weekend long now. I would have preferred running this afternoon, but it's supposed to rain a lot, and there's no time like the present. I know if I do it now, after I just woken up, it will be done. I won't be able to go back, so I'm gonna run my 4 kilometers, and then I'm gonna enjoy the day in Maine. Super difficult this morning. My right ankle hurts a lot, so this is not fun, unfortunately, but I'm gonna push to 4. I'm gonna try. I'm taking it song by song. It's starting to rain. I have 1 kilometer left. Okay. That was my fastest run ever. It was also my hardest run ever. I'm gonna be sweating for a while. Oh my God. I look like a slimy gremlin. But a proud, slimy gremlin. If I had not gone run this morning, when I told myself, just do it, just fucking do it, I would have stayed all day in the rain inside, dreading my run, hanging it over me, you know? Now it's done. I ran fast, I pushed myself. Oh, I didn't like the run at all. I swore, I said a couple F-bombs through it, but now it's done. Now it's done.